So in this case, just please make sure that guard, right? It's that use guard to the values that you are going to receive, right? And return like a null in case that it is like empty. So let's continue seeing some any other optional example here. And we also have this one. It's called like dog bread, and we have optional values here, right? And we put these options and also declare as options, right? And we are going to use it and put the values that is going, but we can use instead of if the value is empty, please put that information. So you can use a double question mark in order to give that values that could uh, uh, be present in case that the optional variables is empty. So let's talk about very quickly about genetic. So we have been writing flexible and reusable code, and also genetic is a fantastic contribution um, to create, flexible object and also a reusable code. And genetics allow us to write function in type that can work literally in any other type, right? So we have some example here. The reality genetics. If you come from another language like Java, you have a so similar way to use genetics. So you declare your queue, right? And you can start to put data like using push, right? Impute, and also you can start to remove those values from a pop method, um, as a building method, right? So we have a push, and we can put the values of this on this, and we can write, create, and also use registers. So we have generics as well, and also we can declare some generic objects, and we says that this declare struct object has those attributes, right? And we can says that those values are going to represent and receive that kind of informations, right? Like an integrate and also a push, we can declare, right? And also remove those values, right? So we are going to declare our genetic values, right? And we are going to push and also remove, right? So this is how it's work, and we have different way to use it, and there's many way to use optionals, genetics, and also so forth. I invite you to read a little bit more regarding this topic, because it's very important, because sometimes when you are calling to some network, um, to some doing some calling to any API, sometimes this information could be received like empty. So you have to know how to handle the options data that sometimes are not arriving. So yeah, I think that's it so far, and I hope that this explanation and calls regarding Swift can help you. I can give you very quickly some across or can optionals cross that can you can enjoy, and also at the same time learn regarding this interesting topic. So, in the next call, we are going to talk about Swift UI and how important it is. Yeah, hoping that you can be with us and continue learning that interesting language. So, thank you very much for your attention, and we are going to keep in touch for more news.